Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure the tablet is ready. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi and plug in if the battery is low. Once done, verify you have enough storage. Free up about 100 MB or more if needed. Next, sign into your App Store or Play Store account so your purchases and updates are available. After that, open the Store app and navigate to the Updates or My Apps section to see which apps need attention. You now decide which updates to install and why. Scan change logs for security fixes or new features, especially for banking or productivity apps. Then either tap Update beside specific apps you trust or press Update all to save time. Make sure downloads aren't blocked by data limits. Switch to Wi-Fi if needed. While updates run, keep the tablet awake or adjust sleep settings to avoid interruptions. Pause or cancel any stalled download, and you finish by opening a few updated apps to confirm they launch and that permissions remain correct. Test core functions briefly. Once done, restart the tablet to finalize installations and clear temporary issues. If an update fails, try one key troubleshooting tip. Clear the store app cache and data, free additional storage, then sign out and back into the store before retrying the update. If problems persist, check for system OS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.